Welcome into the Sandvik Coromant Center here in Mebane.
That's good to see you, Corey.
Yeah, man.
So what does Sandvik Coromant do at these centers?
So we do a lot, but the three things we really like to focus on are the 3 E's. So we've got education, we've got engineering, and we've got events. So whether that's training or customer applications or say like tech days for events, right? We try to focus on those 3 things.
So how does that all tie into the Coromant Academy then?
So what we like to view the center as a hub, right? So we do have full-time trainers that work for the Academy that'll go out on site with customers and do those trainings for them. But we do have programs here like metal cutting technology. We have product selection and application where we like to bring the customers on site, have those programs set up in the machine so that we know that we can send those customers back to their facilities with the ideas of cost savings and productivity that we know that they'll have.
So this is a big center. What else do you do besides training and demos?
So again, we do a lot, but that's where the engineering comes in, right?
Yeah.
So whether they're working with a project team like the aero or auto or general engineering, or they can come to us directly. But customer application, working on their problems. So more directly here, we do feature-based a lot of the time. If they're doing projects, they're doing anywhere from full programming to actually installing that on the machine on their site, right? So we do a little bit of all of that.
So do you have an example of anything like this?
Yeah, got a perfect example right over here. All right, so this blisk right here is a great example of, a component that we do as customer applications. Whether it's programming from start to finish, or they're just having a problem with the feature on the bottom, or say one of the sections, we can bring it in and we can actually figure out that problem with them.
Cool. How do you take advantage of the Sandvik Coromant global network then?
Yeah, man, it's really quite easy. So we have 15 centers just like this one globally. So we have one here, one in Mexico, and one in Brazil. But the problem is, we might not have the same machine as the customer, right? We only have 5 here, but if we have one in Europe, if we have one in Asia, we can send that project over there to that center, and we have digital live machining in each one of our centers. So we can actually patch that customer in digitally, and they can watch what we're doing, they can interact, so that when that project is finished, they can take that and apply that at their facility seamlessly.
That is really cool. So if someone out there watching wants to take advantage of everything that you're offering, what's the best way for them to get in contact?
So of course, we're going to send everybody to sandvik.coromant.com. They can find their answers there, or better yet, they can use their local Sandvik Coromant rep, and they can make that bridge between us, and we can get in contact. But I also have LinkedIn, so just call me.